What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases and accessories made by IBlason for their 10th anniversary for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Now I do want to thank IBlason for sending this kit out to me so I could do this review for you guys today. And if there are any of these items you like in the video, I will be putting the links in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go and see what's inside the box. Alright, let's see what we got here. Here it looks like we have a leather wallet. Now the cases in here you will be able to pick up from IBlason, but the accessories like the leather wallet and other things in here, they might just be specific for the 10th anniversary case. I will check it out again. If you can pick them up, I will put a link in the description. But here is the leather wallet. It's got some pockets on the outside and the other side for your cards, and then the inside for maybe some money. Very nice. It smells exactly like leather. And here we have a thermal flask. That is pretty cool. It is textured on the outside for some grip. Got your 10th anniversary logo. It unscrews, and there you have the inside there. Very cool. And here it looks like we have a sports bottle. So it looks pretty nice. 32 ounces. Got your logo there. It's like a smoke clear. Very cool. The top portion pops open so you can sip your liquid. Closes back up. Very nice. Got your little strap on the back. It also comes with some stickers. And then here we have our cases. Okay, so here we're going to start off with the S22 Ultra. This is their Aries case. Now these are only dummy devices, so I can only show you the cases. I can't show you how they function. But I will be doing another video once I get the actual devices, just to kind of show you how good the buttons are and everything like that. So here is their Aries case. It is a dual piece design. It's got an inner portion that kind of sits inside. It's got some nice bumpers on the edge to keep your phone from cracking if you happen to drop it. So here, once you get out the inner portion of the case, you kind of just take your phone, put this over the top of your phone. Then we'll go ahead and just place this in the inner portion of the case, press it inside, and you don't have to worry about the phone coming out of the case because it's in there really good. And that's what it looks like inside the case. This is their Ruddy Red. Again, it's got that nice reinforced edge. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, but it does have a raised edge to protect your screen. On the back here, it is clear, so it shows off the color of your phone. And it's got that raised camera bump, so you don't have to worry about anything touching the camera lenses when you put your phone down. You got your volume and power buttons on the side there. You have your S Pen slot, the speaker, and the charging port. And this is surrounded in an all-rubber case. So it feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel slippery at all. Here is the same Aries case, but in green. And then here is the gray. I think this one's probably my favorite. It's got a nice silver inlay surrounded by that really light gray. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the Aries for the Galaxy S22 Plus. Again, it's got that two-piece design. You just kind of take out the inner portion. And we're just going to take our phone and you're just going to place it over the top, press down on it, just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and place it inside the case. And this is the gray. Looks pretty nice. I'm actually partial to this color. Looks pretty cool. The back is again clear, shows off the color of your phone. It's got the camera bump to protect the cameras on the phone. Reinforced edges. Doesn't add a lot of bulk to your phone. It does have raised edges all around it to protect the screen. And it's got a nice cover to cover your charging port for the phone. And there is not a built-in screen protector on any of these cases. So you can use your own screen protector, whether it be glass or film. And here is the green. Has kind of like a matte inlay color. And here is the purple, which looks pretty cool as well. It's got a nice shiny purple inlay surrounded by that matte purple. Looks pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and S22 Plus Aries series for IBlason. If you guys want any of this, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.